Jen Jones here. Gail Dobosz is with me, helping me with this demo. It's Praise by Elevation Worship. John Robinson and myself wrote this dance. So here's a quick tutorial. Weights on your left, here's step to the right. So it is side, behind, and kick and cross. Side, behind, and heel and cross. With the count for that section, it is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Second section, it is going to be step to the side, step behind, quarter turn, shuffle forward. Step half turn, shuffle forward. That section with the count. Our weights on that left, so it is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Third, 8 is a rocking chair and a jazz box. So it's forward and back and jazz box, up, back, over, in. Now just that section with the count. Rocking chair. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last 8 is we're going to step forward, step, step, 2 bounces, bounce, bounce. Now you go back to where you were. Step, step, bounce, bounce. So with the count, so it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. That is the whole dance for a demo. Gail and I will put it together real quick, and then we'll do it to the music. All right? 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, behind, and heel, and cross. Side, behind, and heel, and cross. Side, behind, and shuffle. Half turn, shuffle, rocking chair. Jazz box. Step, step, bounce, bounce. Step, step, bounce, bounce. There you have it, and I'm going to turn this off, and then we're going to do a demo.